The Inito Fertility Monitor is an all-in-one hormone tracker that helps you look after your reproductive health. Inito measures 4 key fertility hormones on a single strip in 10 minutes. At the comfort of your home, find actual values of follicle-stimulating hormone, estrogen, luteinizing hormone, and PDG, the urine metabolite of progesterone. The Inito Starter Kit comes with a fertility monitor, a customized phone clip, a urine cup, and a pack of test strips. To get started, download the Inito app, enter your details, and follow the instructions to link the monitor to your device. Testing with Inito is as simple as peeing into a cup. Dip the test strip for 15 seconds. Attach the monitor to your phone. Insert the test strip to the monitor. In 10 minutes, you can see real hormone values and charts. Inito studies your hormone trends and data by measuring FSH to help you track your follicle growth, estrogen and LH to help predict your fertile window, and PDG to confirm if and when you have ovulated. Inito gives accurate fertility predictions such as high fertility, when your estrogen is rising, peak fertility, when your LH surges, ovulation confirmed, when your PDG rises. It keeps you updated with health tips and cycle insights, and tells you when to test so you can get accurate fertility predictions every time. Start testing with Inito today and take a step further toward fulfilling your health goals.